Unraveling Positive Vibrations, a guide to uplifting energy. Hello and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and uplifting phrase that you might have heard in conversations, music, or even in motivational contexts: positive vibrations. This phrase is not just about words. It's about feeling, energy, and the essence of positivity. Let's explore together what it means and how you can use it in your daily English communication. The phrase, positive vibrations, is made up of two key words: positive, meaning good, beneficial, or optimistic, and vibrations, which refers to the rhythmic motions or energy waves something gives off. When we talk about vibrations in a non-physical sense, we're referring to the emotional or energy waves people emit. Therefore, positive vibrations essentially means emitting or spreading good, optimistic, and happy energy that positively affects those around us. While the concept of energy and its effects on the environment and people has been around for centuries, the specific phrase, positive vibrations, gained popularity in the 1960s and 1970s with the rise of reggae music, particularly through songs by artists like Bob Marley. This era was all about peace, love, and harmony, and the phrase captures the essence of wanting to spread good feelings and positive energy to others. Whenever I'm around her, I feel positive vibrations that lift my spirits. This place has such positive vibrations. It instantly makes me feel more peaceful and happy. Let's fill our home with positive vibrations by always speaking kindly and showing love to each other. Embracing and spreading positive vibrations is more than just a phrase. It's a lifestyle choice that encourages looking at the bright side of life, focusing on joy, and influencing others positively. It emphasizes the power of positivity in transforming our own lives and the environment around us. By consciously choosing to emit positive energy, we can create a more supportive, loving, and happy community. Thank you for joining me in exploring the beautiful and uplifting concept of positive vibrations. Remember, the energy you put out into the world has a profound effect not just on you but on everyone and everything around you. Let's strive to spread positivity, love, and happiness wherever we go. I hope this video has filled you with good vibes and inspired you to be a beacon of positive vibrations in your own life. Stay positive, and see you in our next lesson.